Hello friends, I Dr. Amit Tapkir from Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigde, Pune. Welcome you all for today's session. Synthetic antibacterial agents, sulfonamides. Content of today's discussion is sulfonamide, properties of sulfonamide and classification of sulfonamide. In next section we are going to see chemistry and structure of a drug, and in part 3 we are going to see mechanism of action, structure activity relationship, crystalluria and pKa, mammalian folate biosynthesis, and the references which I used to prepare the presentation. Sulfonamides are the synthetic antibacterial agents. The sulfonamides are the derivative of para-aminobenzene sulfonamide, shortly called as a sulfanilamide. The sulfonamides are derived for the bacterial infection in humans. The sulfonamide are the metabolic product of prontosil. The prontosil was used for the antibacterial activity. Sulfonamides exist as a totally synthetic substance. It is a white powder, mildly acidic in character. The sulfonamides they forms water soluble salt with bases. Sulfonamides are selectively used for the treatment of first the urinary tract infections, then bacterial respiratory tract infections and gastrointestinal tract infections. Sulfonamides are majorly classified under 5 major classes. Out of them, the first class is on the basis of site of action. The subclass of this first class are: the first one is general infections. The sulfonamides used for the general infections. Example is the sulfanilamide, sulfapyridine, sulfadiazine. The second subclass is urinary tract infections. The examples are sulfisisoxazole and sulfathiazole. The sulfonamides, the third subclass is intestinal infections. Examples are succinyl sulfathiazole and sulfasalazine. Next subclass, local infections. Examples are mefenamide and silver sulfadiazine. Next subclass is for dermatitis. Examples of drugs are dapsone and solapsone. In combinations, these drugs are also used. The best combination is a trimethoprim with a sulfamethoxazole. This is the first class, major class. Second major class of sulfonamide on the basis of pharmacokinetic properties. On the basis of pharmacokinetic properties, the sulfonamides are classified into the following subclasses. The first subclass is a poorly absorbed, also called as a locally acting sulfonamide. Example is a sulfasalazine, sulfaguanidine, succinyl sulfathiazole. Second subclass is rapidly absorbed and rapidly excreted sulfonamides, also called as a systematic sulfonamides. The examples comes under this class are sulfamethoxazole, sulfadiazine, sulfaflurazole, sulfacetamide. Next subclass is a topically used sulfonamides. Examples are sulfacetamide, mefenides and sulfathiazoles. Third type of classification is on the basis of pharmacological activity. The first subclass is antibacterial agent. Examples are sulfadiazine and sulfisisoxazole. Next subclass is drug used in dermatitis. Example is dapsone. Let us move to the fourth type of classification, which is based on duration of action. In that, the first subclass, extra long acting, which have a half-life greater than 50 hours, and the examples are sulfasalazine, sulfachlamides, and sulfalines. Second subclass is long-acting, the half-life greater than 24 hours. The half-life is greater than 24 hours. Examples are sulfadoxine, sulfadimethoxine, sulfamethoxypyridazine, sulfamethoxydiazine, sulfafinazole, sulfamethoxine. Next subclass is intermediate acting, having half-life between 10 to 24 hours. Example are sulfisomazole, sulfamethoxazole. Next subclass, short acting, having half-life less than 20 hours. Examples are sulfamethizole and sulfisokazole. Last subclass is injectable, that is soluble sulfa drugs. Example are sulfaflurazole, sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxine. Fifth and last type of classification of sulfa drug or sulfonamides on the basis of chemical structure. The sulfonamides are classified on the chemical structure, that is N1 substituted. Example is sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide, and sulfidimidine. N4 substituted sulfonamides, the example is pruntocil. Those drugs having substitution at N1 and N4 position are called as N1, N4 substituted sulfonamide. Example is succinyl sulfathiazole. And last is miscellaneous class. The example is mefenide sodium. The N1 substitution, where the nitrogen is attached to the aromatic ring, that nitrogen substitution called as a N4 substitution, and the nitrogen attached to the sulfur and the substitution on that nitrogen is called as a N1 substituted nitrogen. Thank you. Happy learning.